Yo, g'day everyone, it's Crusoe. So we've got underway here. As I get a little bit further into it, once I've done the bottom, I will put up 2 lines, and I'll probably do that up the middle because I need to be plumb, and it's mainly for your lines, your grout lines, because I've got to have that going up there and that one going up there. So I'll mark one with a level, and I'll do the other one with my laser. If I had 2 lasers, well then I'd have 2 laser lines. But you start off with your first 2 rows. I'm only putting it on flat like this with the flatter material because it's easier on the first 2 rows. Once you get started, you're laughing. What I did do though is I made sure my bucket was clean when I mixed up my glue. With bigger tiles it doesn't matter too much, but if your bucket, if you're doing subway tiles, a small tile, and you have a little chip, a little piece of glue that you don't know, and you're putting it on your wall, that's when you could have a tile sticking out. And it can stuff your whole job. We're going back to the same old. I don't like spreading the wall because I believe it skins, but I can't muck around, and I don't spread too much is the key. So I'm going 1 light, 1 dark, just to make it interesting. And that's too light. Ooh. If I have the odd time that I stuff up, it won't be noticed. Got to bring that out just a little. Dark light. I put too dark there, which I just noticed. Beauty boy. Right, how are we? I've got to come up just a little, yep, and it shows it. That's good. If I've left my glue too long at the end, say, if I'm busy putting up, I will back butter my tile to stick to the skinned glue. Well, I'm happy with that. That shows you how flat that floor is. I better turn off my camera now because my head's starting to swell and the camera on my head won't fit soon. Okay, I'll see you soon.